Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Mitsubishi Shogun. I hope it's easier than deleting them. So here we go. We'll go on to settings. We'll watch out at the bottom. So watching out at the bottom there, over to the system, click on phone. The connection between Bluetooth device in progress, use the passkey 1212. So hands-free system, that's the one. 1, 2, 1, 2, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Usually when it does connect, we see the map. There we go, so Barry's iPhone connected there. And there we go, it shows you your map comes up. So that's it, that's connected. Let's just find out where it is, just to prove it. Hands-free system connected, that's it.